Gastac gas spring empowers Volkswagen. First, use a small flathead screwdriver to lift a U-shaped clip on each end. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Take out the new gas spring. Place the ball socket over the ball stud and press firmly until it clicks into place. Choose Gastac gas springs for durability, reliability, and affordability. Enjoy customization options and a 3-year warranty for peace of mind. Follow the steps below to access the Gastac website, where you can find a full range of gas springs suitable for various applications. Contact us to find the perfect solution for your needs. Gastac.